Welcome to Lakeville. Hi, I'm Liz Sandwick, Realtor with Coldwell Banker Realty and the Sandwick Real Estate Group. This is my new listing at 19640 Ireland Place. Let's go check it out. With over 4,000 square feet, refinished hardwood floors, fresh carpet, a spacious kitchen with stainless appliances, large primary suite, large deck, walk-out lower level, sport court, and perennial gardens, it could be your perfect home. We are just steps away from Lakeville North High School, Lake Marion, shops, trails, and downtown. Thanks for checking us out today. If you'd like your private tour, reach out and schedule one today.